They say prevention is better than cure. Don't be in denial. For those of you who have HIV/AIDS, it's about knowing that living positively. For those people like Kacho who have diabetes, living positively. So at the end of the day, don't be scared to say, I'm scared to go for an HIV test, I'm scared to go for a blood sugar test, I'm scared to go for a BP test. If you don't know and you don't ask, you'll never know. It helps. Listen, it helps with regard to general health and weight reduction. So you can't just say, I'm going to go on a diet without doing exercise. No, I'm going to do exercise and continue eating 5 hamburgers in a day, 10 Coca-Colas, 3 tablespoons of sugar in your tea or coffee, all this type of stuff, without controlling your eating. So when you look at exercise in general, it's about healthy living. Are you living healthy, and what are you doing? You can be active but still living unhealthy, eating hamburgers, fried chicken and chips, etc. Then also the other side you've got to do is look at your culture and what your culture relates to the types of foods and the environment you live in. So the most important thing is, first of all, I want everybody just to stand up for a moment, both men and women. And this is a simple thing, is that the first thing in life is that we have to come to acceptance. When I was born with a disability called achondroplasia, where at the age of 18 months, they broke my legs, they reset my legs. And from there, up until the age of 16 years old, I had major operations on my legs, and so that I could try and live a basic healthy lifestyle. So I might just take a little moment here. If you look at me, and just grab a chair and sit next to me here. So I'm trying to give you a sense of acceptance, right? So when he sits next to me, he's my friend. But who's taller? Who's taller? Right, but stand up. Who's taller now? Right. I'll stand on the chair. Okay. So being born disabled as a child, I was born with achondroplasia. First of all, we have to find inner being. Kajol, where her background is related to diabetes. Later on, she found inner being. When she found inner being in her soul, her life changed. Right. So what we're going to do right now is a simple task. I want all the ladies, not the men, right? Right, all the ladies to stand sideways like this, like they look in the mirror and say, I love my shapely body. Ladies, are we ready? I love my shapely body. Here we go. I love my shapely body. Okay, and all the men stand like this, put your bellies out and say, I love my pot belly. Okay, take a seat now. This year is my New Year's resolution. I'm going to do exercise. Okay, let me go back. How many people have said they have how many people even put it to task to say, I have 3 New Year's resolutions? Did everybody have a New Year's resolution? New Year's resolutions is basically creating a vision. And a vision that New Year's resolution says, I'm going to achieve this by a certain date. Right? When we are here today, as a presentation we have done, even like myself, about exercise, about feeling good, it's about changing aspects in your life. Only you can change that in your life, in everything you do, whether it's your career or whether it's your health, right? So like Kajol's done with diabetes, she took action. First of all, she changed her eating. Secondly, she got involved in regular exercise, right? Other people, the 2 fastest growing diseases are hypertension and diabetes. Diabetes kills more people than any other ailment, any other disease right now, well, except for maybe 1 or 2, but generally. So the key aspect is exercise makes you mentally fit, physically fit, and also gives you a sense of vision and passion. Obviously, you must remember that exercise is about team building, etc. So the most important thing is that, like we just did now, okay? You did something, you stood up, right? You accepted who you were, and now the key objective is now we are here to change our lives. So get involved in regular exercise. You don't have to go to the gym, but generally you can do a walk, you can do group aerobics outside, and stuff like that. If you have any questions, not necessarily gym related, or generally exercise or general wellness, please feel free to contact me.